Good afternoon, my friends. Welcome to my channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Justin, and I am working and living in Djibouti. Currently, I am learning Somali, and I would like to share with you how I learn Somali. I have made this video based on the book written by Véronique Carton Tibet, Manuel de Conversation Somali Français, and I have made 2 videos. If you are interested, you can please also refer to the previous lesson. Today's lesson, I'm going to continue with the plural form of nouns. Somali nouns we have divided into 2 types, the ka type and also the ta type. Today we will learn about the ka type. Ka type also include ga and ha. It is the ending of the noun for the definite article. (1.1) For nouns of 1 syllable, we add a and repeat the consonant before to make it plural. For example, tob. It means 1 dress. The plural form is tobab. We add 1 a and repeat the last consonant b. Tobab. Wiil, son. Wiilal, sons. A and l. Wiilal, sons. And these nouns will keep the ka suffix as a definite article. Tobka, the dress. The plural form is tobabka. Tobka, tobabka. Dress, the dress and the dresses. Next, for the nouns ended by 1 consonant, we add o after double spelling the last consonant. For example, Baabuur. Baabuur ended by r and by 1 consonant r. The plural form, we repeat the r with double spelling r, make and add o. Baabuurro. Baabuurro. And the definite article is ada. It become feminine. Da is feminine. Da is from ta. It is feminine. The singular form is masculine, ka, and the plural form is feminine with ta. Baabuurrada, baabuurro. Car and the cars. The third type, for the nouns ended by e, not I or x, we add yo. Kursi, chair. Kursiyada, kursiyo, chairs. Kursiyada, the chairs. The singular form is ka and the plural form is da. Ka and da. Kursika, kursiyada. The fourth type, the nouns ended by e and y. We add yaal. Buste, bustaha. Buste, bustaha. 1 blanket, the blanket. It ends with e, so it becomes Buste, busteyaal. And the plural form, busteyaasha. Bustaha, busteyaasha. Blankets, the blankets. Okay, that's all for this lesson, and we will continue explain the third type in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, I hope you will like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.